opening my Tinewa flat key door lock. So it's in a nice box. It's pretty heavy. Got here nice and quick, on time. It's packaged pretty well. We've got some bubble wrap here. This thing is heavy and it's nice. So here we go. Looks pretty easy peasy here. Nice lock. I really like it's brushed nickel, it says. It's soft. Sorry. Soft. Then you've got another box here with your stuff, and then another box with a lock itself, which looks to be brass, maybe. Very nice. Deadbolt and whatnot. And then it comes with, I'm trying to find the keys, which are right here. Here's the keys. Oh, and you get a lot of them. Wow. So that's wonderful. I was wondering how many keys would come with it. And looks like it gives you 2 key rings with 3 keys each, so 6 keys altogether. And then it's packaged very nicely, and then it comes with installation instructions. Everything looks to be in English, and given in chronological order on how to install it. Pretty good. So I'll come back after it's installed, but as for the product itself, everything seems to be in order, and it's heavy. It's nice. Lots of keys, very well packaged. Got here very quickly, and I'm impressed thus far.